Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about HTTP and its role in web development. HTTP, which is the core of all web programming technology today, and interestingly, it was never designed for the purpose it is currently serving. This session will have a look at how HTTP evolved from a humble protocol meant only to serve a HTML page to a full-fledged web programming technology, which is the backbone of all B2B and B2C and the enterprise architectures. For the purpose of easy uploads and downloads, we will be breaking up this session into several parts, and each of those parts can be separately downloaded. Apart, we will be discussing the web programming in general perspective, and then we will be looking at how to design the various HTTP handlers. In this very first episode, we will be having a very quick look at how HTTP works internally. HTTP has undergone a lot of change since its first version, that was version 0.9, and a detailed of the historical evolution I would recommend you to visit my blog, which is http://dv.vnc.in. Here in this video I limit myself to discuss the technical perspective of this technology right from the version 0.9. I said the version 0.9 was a humble version. It was designed for the purpose of serving an HTML page, period, nothing more. So let's see how it was designed and how it was working. In a typical web programming scenario, this is your web server, a server which has got your HTML files and nothing else. The client comes and the client requests for a welcome.html page. The request will be a simple one-liner which says get welcome.html. The server checks if the page is available or not, and assuming the page is available, it simply returns the content, and the content will always be an HTML page, nothing else. So you requested for a welcome.html and you got a welcome.html. It was not designed to serve anything else, and that's how version 0.09 worked. In fact, while most of the browsers still supports this version, it is hardly of any use in the current scenario. So let's move on to the working of the next major landmark. It was HTTP version 1.